Alright, so there's a new update. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Undercover a piece of history. Wait, this might be a flashback. I'm not sure. Uncover a piece of history in the rotating map with the return of the original caves map for a limited time. Dip, dodge, and dash through a map from Gorilla Tag. Whatever that is. 2019's deep past. The new weather patterns up in the sky have brought the return of Nicolai trains to the store. The original Clouds items are back from a limited time. This flashback, along with items from a rainy day in the household. Oh my god, the rainy day is here?
Wait, how do you do it? I forgot what you did. I went like this.
Let's do this. So, something happened in caves, I think? Because I talked about caves. But, let's just see. Well, here's a flashback. So, is there stuff up there? Oh, I think that's from the rainy day. Let's check out all these cosmetics for now. All of those for now. Right here. Oh, that's cool.
Stop using my paper. That's all I have. I don't want you over there with everybody in my yard.
There's a red where it says D, angry. And then this one that's smiley face. I didn't even know that cosmetic was still here. So, oh, now we love this. Can I buy this? Right. Monkey balloon, also very nice. Fork and knife. Frog, that I really want to. I might get that. I remember this cosmetic. Golden knife and fork. Wrench. Nice. Golden wrench. Alright, so that's all of those. Now let's go with a rainy day. Oh, and here's the other clouds things. So first, let's actually check out these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so that's all I can check out for now. I could have done one more, but it's fine. Umbrella. Mary Poppins. Alright. Ooh. Oh, I also remember this. Alright, pretty cool, pretty cool. Huh. It should be from like a summer update. Maybe it is. The golden one, oh my god. What am I? What is this? I remember this. I might get this. This is actually pretty cute. Oh, I have to take off that. Hang on, I'll go take it off. The egg on my head. I'm gonna go put it back on. Alright, let's keep on going. Yeah. Pretty cool. Isn't there one of these where it goes like this? And it does something? This is become monk. Oh my god. Alright, so that's it for that. Now let's go check out the other ones. So we can get 13, not 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's good. Right amount. Monkey mask. Oh, obviously these, I love them. Hang on. I'll make these become a real shoes. Hang on. Wait, no, you can't do that. I don't know, but these are rain boots. They're pretty cool. And these rain boots. That is just amazing. These rain boots. Of course, this. Combo right there. Tyler VR. Shout out to him. The cookie jar. I need to get this. So, those are pretty cool. I might buy them. But did it say something about caves? Did it say something? I swear it said something about caves. Nah, I'm not going down there. I'm too much of a scaredy cat. I think that's all. Tell me. The Return of Original Caves map. Oh, hang on, guys. My friend's calling me. Yeah? Oh, I'm doing a video real quick. I'm almost done. Alright. So, I think that's it. Tell me if I missed anything. But, see ya.